my wonderful people. Today we are doing barbecue. You know, we all know that the good weather make everybody to go gaga. We are doing barbecue today. I have already set our tomatoes is here. Bogas is here. Lettuce is there. Cucumber, onions. That's what we need for it. That's what I need. The lambs, we have some lambs there. I just cover it with some plastic because of flies. So we are just waiting for the fire to ready. Then we make our barbecue. I'm inviting you, all my good ones there, all my subscribers that have subscribed for me so far, come and join me. It's my barbecue, barbecue. It's lovely. I miss it. Cheers, my friends. Cheers. I would have go on live, no standard. So no standard to hold it. So we are just videoing it, most posting it. So we will post it now, and when the meat is on it, we will take a video again. Love you. I'm relaxing until my fire catch up. Want to sit here with my drink. Hello people, how we doing? No time, oh my dear. Every little bit of time we have, we use it.
What are you calling on?
No time, my love. Good boy, trust. Good boy, my love. Now the fire is ready. We are putting our meat, our lamb.
I wish I'm doing this.
Now,
The way I will yuck it.
lovely.
Love it.
You will love it.
Yes, we will love it.
I'm not talking to you, my baby.
Oh, sorry, mommy.
Now, thank you, Lord. You are very respectful.
Okay,
My
Mom.
baby is very respectful.
Okay, Mom.
He's the best best boy.
Okay, Mom.
Now, very good. Now, there's our lamb there. Lovely. Ah, what a barbecue. Now, lovely. Maybe the burger is not going to. We have burger as well, but I think I think we will.
It'll be more spicy if
It's
I
still-
know, but you look at it.
What's that? You can talk, my dear.
No, you are doing
Yeah,
so what?
Mommy, you are doing great.
yeah, I'm doing
You're
great.
doing great.
Thank you, my
Good
sweet.
job, Mommy.
Thank you, my love. Now, my
Yeah.
baby said I'm doing great.
Yeah.
Say good
Very
job, mommy.
good. Very good.
Good job, mommy.
Yummy chicken.
Yummy. Barbecue. Barbecue. Now, barbecue. Now,
See the way that's too much.
God, Mommy.
That's okay.
I think that's okay for
Yeah.
now. Maybe we'll do that later. Now, oh, it's really. Is the
The fire
smoke
is
not
too
too
much.
much?
Yeah.
Eat with me, my people. Come and eat. Barbecue with me, with Shakara Mama. Come and eat barbecue with me, my lovely one. My lovely people. Make a concentrate here as well. It's burning.
Thank you, where is going?
It's burning.
Hold on. No, don't pull back.
It's burning, yeah, it's okay.
Don't pull back.
Oh, My people, our barbecue party is nearly over. The rest of the people doesn't want to enter video. So it's me that know me now. So let me that is not only me that is eating all this meat, I have a barbecue party here. So I don't want to put them in the pictures. So this is the party is over now. This is our we are eating it gradually. That is how it is. I invite you all to join me to eat barbecue party. Barbecue party. So no,
I say party.
happy. Wherever you are, be happy.
Party.
Alright. One love, guys. Bless you. Subscribe to Shakara Mama.